తాండూర్ ప్రజాపక్షం వార్తలకు స్వాగతం. వికారాబాద్ జిల్లా తాండూర్ పట్టణంలో గల శ్రీ కృష్ణవేణి కాన్సెప్ట్ స్కూల్ నందు ఫ్రూట్స్ అండ్ వెజిటేబుల్ డేను అట్టహాసంగా నిర్వహించారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి ముఖ్య అతిథులుగా ప్రిన్సిపల్ మరియు మేనేజింగ్ డైరెక్టర్ ప్రశాంత్ కుమార్, డైరెక్టర్ సతీష్ హాజరైనారు. విద్యార్థులు వందన సమర్పణంతో కార్యక్రమాన్ని ప్రారంభించారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో వెజిటేబుల్స్ మరియు ఫ్రూట్స్ను ప్రదర్శించి వెజిటేబుల్ మరియు ఫ్రూట్స్ మార్ట్ను ఏర్పాటు చేయడం జరిగింది. విద్యార్థులు వారి ప్రదర్శనతో ఫ్రూట్స్ మరియు వెజిటేబుల్ ప్రాధాన్యతను తెలియజేశారు. తదనంతరం విద్యార్థుల యొక్క తల్లిదండ్రులు ఫ్రూట్స్ మరియు వెజిటేబుల్ను కొనుగోలు చేయడం జరిగింది. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో పాఠశాల ఉపాధ్యాయులు, విద్యార్థులు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులు పాల్గొన్నారు.
We hope everyone understands about the vegetables. Keep eating vegetables. Thank you, everyone. Let's chop some broccoli. Some vegetables for you and me. For me. Okay, before we eat, this is a brown potato. Thank you, everyone.
Very good.
I am a strawberry. I am red in color. I am sweet and sour in taste, and I am looks very attractive. I am a watermelon. I am green in color. I am sweet and juicy in taste, and I am seasonal fruit. I am a mango. I am yellow and green in color. I am sweet and sour in taste, and I am cutting of fruit. I am a orange. I am orange in color. I am a sweet and sour in taste, and I am rich and C vitamin. I am a papaya. I am yellow in color. I am sweet and sour in taste, and I am rich in C vitamin. I am a banana. I am yellow and red in color. I am sweet in taste, and I am the sweetest fruit. I am a pomegranate. I am red in color. I am sweet in taste, and I am sweetest fruit. I am a apple. I am red in color. I am sweet in taste, and apple a day keep the doctor away. Grapes. I am a grapes. I am green and black in color. I am sweet and sour in taste, and I am found in bunches. Thank you. I am a pineapple. I am yellow in color. I am sweet and juicy in taste, and I am a tropical plant. We all maybe were not understood about the fruit. Keep eating fruits and do everyone have a nice day.
Watermelon. Very good. Next, let us welcome our senior KG students. They are going to perform a speech on vegetables. They are going to show who is the king of the vegetables. Just hold the plate correctly and see who is the king of the vegetables. So let us see. First we will see the skip. Then we will come to a conclusion that who is the king of the vegetables.
Vegetable has come to attend the meeting. It was an important meeting to help to elect the king of vegetables. Mango, the king of fruits, was invited to preside over the meeting. Good morning, vegetables. Good morning, Mango. I am glad that all the vegetables have come to attend the meeting. As this meeting is to elect the king of vegetables, who will take the responsibilities of a king. I like to call upon interested vegetables to come one by one and tell about their qualities. Try to color, and I have lots and whole body. Have you seen how strong the papaya the sailor man is? Thank you. Thank you, Spinach. Please take your seat. Sure, but sailors don't like peanuts at all. Who should be king? Mama, she should be the queen. She is the queen of the kitchen. Already she is the best person to decide which vegetable to cook and on which day she cooks a healthy combination. Each day she adds lots of love and intelligence. She is available around the year. Yes, Priya, Mama should be the queen. I eat fruit. I eat fruit. Every single day. I eat fruit. I eat fruit. Every single day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Mondays I eat apple. Mondays I eat apple. Tuesdays I eat pears. Tuesdays I eat pears. Wednesdays I eat cherries. Wednesdays I eat cherries. Thursdays I don't care. Thursdays I don't care.
I'm giving the speech here, so I'm little nervous. So, respected sir, all the teachers, and dear students, and all the parents, good morning to everyone. And regarding the school, our school is very good, and like our activities also, we have so many activities like science fair and vegetables carving and animals day, red color day. We have celebrated so many activities. So I'm very happy and thankful to all the staff here, and the teachers are also very hard working here. And our sir is like our engine, and all the teachers are all the bogies. And our PD sirs also, Vikram sir and Venkat sir, are very supportive and gave the good discipline to all the students. And the good part of the discipline is all the students doing namaskara to all the parents and teachers. That is very good, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. And about our principal, sir, all the activities are very good, very knowledgeable. And we are also practicing with the students, and we are also learning now. And this is the first carving we have done. I think all the parents are on the same path, like me only, and the science fair also. So thank you so much.
Teachers, I'm very thankful. As a parent, I'm proud of the school because each and every student, they take care of each and every student very well, and they learn, they excited in each and every program. Students also, they are very enjoyed in each and every program, and their journey also very nice. Teachers also very encouraging students, and teachers also very well. Discipline also, I'm very proud of this school, first of all. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Sir and teachers, to everyone here, I'm very glad to have, and that too about, even I'm the part of KVCS. That's very great. Yes, sir. Actually, to being here, actually I'm very nervous. I can't speak much. Even I'm shivering. Actually, this is a very, very, very great and very good platform to every kid. This is not a platform, sorry. This is very great school to learn more in your future, for your future and future goals. This is your first platform to everyone, kids, even for us also. Even we are learning from kids, lot of things. As the way of the teacher teaches, the way of principal sees, and the way of kids they are saying to us. Even we are learning more things from them, and we are very glad to have like teachers. No one is here, no one ఎవరు ఉన్నారు మీలాగా టీచర్స్ చెప్పేవాళ్ళు చేసేవాళ్ళు, పిల్లలు ఇది చేయాలి అది చేయాలి అండ్ ఇది నేర్చుకోవాలి అది నేర్చుకోవాలని చెప్పేవాళ్ళు దొరకడం అది మా అదృష్టం.
Okay, smile.